Our first step into finding whether we have a profit or loss is finding our cost. So to determine our cost, we do have a trade discount which will need to be applied. So our cost is equal to our 30 less our 25% discount less our 4% discount. So give us 30.75 times 0.96. And that'll give us a cost for the wallboard of $21.60. Our second step is to determine the regular selling price, which is our cost plus our expenses plus our profit. We know our cost is $21.60 and our overhead is 20% of the regular selling price, and our profit is 0.18 of the regular selling price. It was $21.60 plus 0.38 SP. And we know what's going to happen with that 0.38. It'll come over here and it'll leave us with a 0.2 SP is equal to $21.60. We divide both sides by 0.62. That'll leave us with a regular selling price of $34.84. Our next step is to find our break-even selling price, because without that we cannot determine whether it's a profit or loss. So that is cost plus our expenses, and our cost was $21.60 and our expenses were 20% of our regular selling price, which we determined was $34.84, and that will give us $21.60 plus 6.968 will give us a break-even sale price of $28.57. Now, on our last step, we're going to figure out what our reduced price is. And that's our regular selling price minus our discount. And our discount in this case was 15%. So we'll take our regular selling price of $34.84 and multiply it by 0.85, which is 1 minus the 15%. That'll give us a reduced sale price of $29.61. So in this case, our break-even is $28.57 and we sold it for $29.61. So we will end up having a profit. And the amount of that profit is found by taking the sale price, which was $29.61, minus the $28.57, which will give us a profit of $1.04.